Unfortunately, in Iowa, it's not going to change anything right away, as it will in other states, because right now Iowa's law is that the unborn are protected at 20 weeks of gestation. And so, but in 2018, the Iowa Supreme Court found a right to an abortion in the Iowa Constitution. And that's even farther, it's more liberal than the US Supreme Court. So that is a real roadblock to protecting the unborn right there. And so,
Hey, Governor, on the abortion bill, I asked you last week. You said you were proud of the 2018 bill, which I think is the heartbeat bill.
Yeah.
And so that had a few exceptions: life of the mother, rape, incest. Are those the parameters that you're willing to accept?
I'm not going to set any parameters. We're going to continue. As I said last week, we're going to wait and see what happens at the United States Supreme Court. We have a ruling before the Iowa Supreme Court, so we're going to wait and see what they do, and that actually will affect what our next steps are moving forward.
If the Iowa Supreme Court overturned the 2018 decision, which I'm hopeful is unlikely because nothing's really changed in 4 years except the makeup of the court. So that would not be a good image for the court to just raw power overturn. But if they did, then I would expect our governor to call a special session of the legislature to outlaw abortion.
I know there'll be quite a big campaign, probably on both sides of that issue. I believe that life is valuable. It's created by God. There should be constitutional protections there for that life. And I think the fact that we've allowed abortion for so long, I think that's eroded our value of life.
I don't think Iowa is very different from the rest of the country, where the voters support Roe v. Wade. Just because the legislature is going to try to create a constitutional amendment, I'm hopeful, very hopeful that it won't pass. These laws are treating women as the vessel carrying the great unborn child. Well, we have life. We are currently living, and we have rights. Those rights shouldn't be overcome by what the woman is holding.